are way out in the boonies. Far away from the skyliner. Here we go, you ready? This is our room for 3 nights. Oh, it's beautiful.
Ma, can you pull me?
Yeah.
There
There we go.
we go. Look on room.
Let's see if there's a tub. Yay! We have a tub! We are home, Lenny!
Uh-huh.
You like it?
Uh-huh.
It's a nice room, isn't it?
Uh-huh.
Do you want to give me a tour? Okay. What's this?
I don't know. It's a bathroom.
It's a bathroom? Did you take your coat off already? Yay! We had a bathtub! Mommy forgot to call and request one.
You can get in there.
Yeah. You're gonna get in the bathtub? Oh, I thought they got rid of these. Shampoo, conditioner, and body wash.
Ta-da! A bathtub.
Oh.
Ta-da! A
Got
toilet.
a full-length mirror.
Wow.
Oh gosh, what are you doing in there? Don't get your fingers caught. Can you give me a tour of the rest of the room? So in the bathroom we have hangers and shoe shelves. We have an ironing board. We have a little place for an iron and a hair dryer. Some more shelves, more shelves, more shelves, and more shelves. And Mommy's favorite, I love these. Some facial soap. What do you see? Yeah, there are Mickeys on the bed. Let's turn the lights on. Lots of USB cables. Ooh.
Ta-da! Ta-da! I can call someone.
You're gonna call someone? Actually, we need to call housekeeping and get you a bed rail. So excited to be here. Oh, there's your Bible and a safe. There's your book, Landon.
Huh. I can't go in there.
Yeah. And then we have, this feels like a smaller room than our last room. 3 drawers. Oh, you want to go in the curtain with your Bible? Makes sense. And then here we have ice bucket, cups, coffee maker for Mommy, Joffrey's, my favorite. Oh, there's a light, that's better. We have a drawer, and we have a fridge. So we're gonna call housekeeping first, then we're gonna go and get a milk, a water, and lunch. It's about almost 1 o'clock. Are you excited to be at Disney? And then Landon, this turns into a bed for Aunt KK. She's coming tonight.
I have a salad and Mickey.
You're a lot taller now.
A salad and Mickey.
Say hot dog, hot diggity dog. Mickey. Mickey. Say hiya, pal. Hiya, pal. Hiya, pal. Mickey.
Enough, Mickey.
How many are there?
1, 2, 3.
That's right. I got the bed rail. It's about an hour. And then it will be safe and sound while she sleeps. Where's Daddy when we need him? Pretty happy with it. You galloping? You in your KK's bed? Who's up there?
Nothing. I see all.
Who loves Aunt KK? That's really cool art. Isn't that cool art?
Yeah.
It's so cool, Laura.
Where the
Yeah, me too. Aunt KK is left. She had to go to work, and then she's going home. We will miss her, but Landon's eating a snack in her bed because we're about to fold it up. Okay, you ready? Stand back while Mommy pushes up. It's like magic. Oh, it's really easy.